Hi, so we are tasked with finding an equation of the line that passes through the points -5, -8, and 5, comma 4. So we're going to use two different things for this. The point slope form of a line, which is just y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. M here is, of course, just the slope. The definition of the slope is given as rise over run, or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we can kind of just label our points. First of all, this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2 and y2. And now we need to find a couple of pieces of information. First of all, we need to figure out what the slope is. So let's go ahead and do that. Y2 is 4. So this is 4 minus y1, which is -8. So minus -8. And this is all being divided by x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is -5. Now, when you subtract a negative, this becomes addition because negative times a negative is a positive. So this is 4 plus 8 now, 4 plus 8. And this is all being divided by, can I get a straight line? There we go. This is all being divided by 5 plus 5 now for the same reason. This becomes just 12 over 10, which if we see that 2 divides into both of these numbers, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our slope is 6 over 5. And now we can substitute that in. So we have y minus y sub 1 equals 6/5 times x minus x sub 1. We know what these values are, y sub 1 and x sub 1, so we can substitute those in. Y sub 1 is -8, so this is y minus a -8. Now minus a negative becomes plus, so this is y plus 8 equals 6 over 5 times x minus x sub 1. X sub 1 is -5, so minus -5 is plus 5. And now to get it into the form we want to have it in, we want to distribute the 6/5 over each component. So this becomes y plus 8 equals 6/5 x plus 6/5 times 5. If you multiply this out, you'll see that 6 over 5 times 5 is the same as 6 over 5 times 5 over 1, which equals 30 divided by 5, which is 6. Another way we can do this is see that in the numerator and the denominator of these opposing fractions, we have a 5, so they'll cancel out to just give us 6. So this is 6/5 x plus 6. And now all we have to do to get it into the form we like is subtract 8 from both sides. And so finally, we just get y is equal to 6/5 x minus 2. Now, you said that in your question, you needed to find the b value. Remember that our standard form is y equals mx plus b. This is y-intercept form. So the b value here would be -2. I hope that answers your question. Thank you so much for watching.